Imagine this: you're having a private conversation on WhatsApp. Maybe it's personal, maybe it's important. But here is the real question: how do you actually know that no one else is reading your messages? Not hackers, not strangers, not even WhatsApp itself. Today I'm going to show you something most people don't even know exists. A hidden feature inside WhatsApp that lets you verify your chat encryption step by step, and whether you're using an iPhone or any other phone. And yes, you can literally confirm that your messages are truly private. Let's get into it. Before we jump into the steps, let's quickly understand what this means. WhatsApp uses something called end-to-end encryption. This means only you and the person you're chatting with can read the messages. No one in between can access them. Not hackers, not internet providers, and not even WhatsApp. But here is the important part: encryption is enabled by default, but verification is something you should do if you care about security. And that's exactly what I'll show you right now. But before I show you, make sure your WhatsApp is updated. Alright, let's go step by step. Now open WhatsApp. Go to the chat of the person you want to verify. Then tap on their name at the top. Now you're inside the chat info page. Scroll down a bit. You'll see this option, encryption. And under it, it says messages and calls are end-to-end encrypted. Tap to verify. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you open it, WhatsApp may automatically verify the encryption. You'll see a message like end-to-end encryption was automatically verified, along with a timestamp. That's already a good sign. But if you want full manual verification, there are two methods. Let's go through both. Method 1. We can compare 60-digit code. This is the most precise method, and it works even if the other person is far away. Now tap on Compare 60-digit number. Now you'll see a long number on your screen. This number is unique to your conversation. Here is what to do next. Ask the other person to open the same chat. Tap on your name, then scroll down to encryption, and then to tap compare 60-digit number. Now both of you will have a number. What you need to check, the two numbers must be exactly the same. You can compare them side by side if you are together, or take a screenshot and send it. Now, what does matching mean? If the numbers match, your chat is fully secure. No third party is intercepting your messages. The encryption keys are verified. Now, important clarification. Even WhatsApp cannot read your messages because they don't have access to these encryption keys. Now let's head to method 2, scan QR code. This one is faster but requires both people to be physically together. Now tap on scan QR code. Now one person shows their QR code, the other scans it using their phone. Once scanned, WhatsApp will instantly confirm that end-to-end encryption is verified. That's it. Quick and simple. Now, you might be thinking, do I really need to do this? Here are situations where this is important. If you are discussing sensitive or private information, if you suspect unusual activity, or if security really matters to you, or simply for peace of mind. Most people never check this, but now you know how. And that's it. Now you know how to actually verify that your WhatsApp messages are secure. Not just trust it, but confirm it yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video. Share it with your friends because most people have no idea about this. And subscribe for more simple tech tips like this. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.